What they did here was they stopped it short. So you're losing that extra foot of ventilation. Hi, I'm Jim with Ideal Roofing. Let's talk about ridge vent installation. Here we have a one-story house and it has plenty of ridge vent installed. Look at how long this is. And that's what you need with ridge vent, is long sections, not a lot of short sections. Also, if you look here on the corner, the directions say to not cut the first 6 inches on the piece. What they're talking about is from the actual piece to here for 6 inches, because we're trying to prevent wind-driven rain from this side, not so much from this side. What they did here was they stopped it short. So you're losing that extra foot of ventilation. What we'd like to see is this ridge vent run all the way to the end, and then you go ahead and felt paper and shingle that 6 inches, then the opening starts here. Now on this homeowner, they got plenty of ridge, no reason to panic just because you lost a foot. But when you install it, we definitely want to run it all the way to the end, especially if you're in that gray area and you need every foot of ridge vent that you can get.